Hey everyone, it's Erin Floater here, and I am setting up for week 21 of this year, which is crazy. It's almost halfway through the year, so that's weird. I am doing a Dutch door for this week. I have my habits on this panel, a little quote over here, and then I'm going to finish everything else with a horizontal. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right on in, and I will see you on the other side. So the first thing I had to do was create the Dutch door, so I decided to do it kind of like the stars that I've been doing with the 4 points, but only do it to the right side. And then I went in with a Sharpie gold paint pen because I was too lazy to get out the watercolors and to wait for it to dry. So I used that Sharpie paint pen, and it actually worked really well. It didn't bleed through. I was kind of worried that it did because I never tested it, but it ended up working out, and now I'm going to go and input in my habits. Now I'm going in with Simply Gilded washi tape to mark off each day segment. So the spacing in the Scribbles That Matter, I have 3 spaces on the top. Each of the days is 11 spaces, and then 2 spaces left on the bottom. So I combined my weekend into 1 space. Because I literally have no clue what my week will look like, I set up for each of the days equally, but I don't really know anything because I haven't looked at my work computer, so I don't know what meetings I have, and I don't want to know yet. So I'm in this like little moment of bliss. So the only thing I added onto here was inbox 0 for Monday, and I added it pretty large. Alright, so this is what I've got for this week. So I have my habits, yoga, no spend because after a wedding and honeymoon, kind of have to save some money, water intake because I haven't been doing great at that, Instagram post, Pinterest post, and doing some sort of YouTube work because while I'm moving, my desk and stuff isn't going to be totally set up. So like I was supposed to do for the wedding, I'm going to try to film some videos and get them all set up before I take apart my desk and all that kind of stuff. So do some YouTube work. I'm going to try to do something at least once every day. My main goal for Monday is inbox 0, so I wrote it pretty big in a Cindy Guccibaldo move. Trying to make sure that I take up a lot of the day so that I don't try to schedule too many things for Monday. And then Tuesday through Thursday, I'm leaving blank because I won't really know what's going on until I check my email on Monday morning. to prioritize and stuff like that. So I will have to plan a lot of that stuff out afterwards. And then Friday and this weekend, I don't think there's a lot planned. I know the next week we have a wedding that we have to go to on Monday, maybe? I don't know. Do I have these dates wrong? No, okay, I'm good. So I don't know why I kept thinking I have the dates wrong. So that is how I'm setting up for the week. The quote I decided to go with is "Little by little, one travels far" from J.R.R. Tolkien. So basically, little steps this week, little steps. Just trying to get to inbox 0, which is going to be a big thing this week, is going to be a hard task because I've been gone for 3 weeks. So I can imagine I have a couple thousand emails to come back to. So not totally excited about that, but it is what it is. So that is the goal for this week. I know I have some other meetings and stuff, but honestly, I'm filming this on Friday after I got back. So I don't really want to think about what meetings I have. All I want to think about is getting that email tackled. So that is my Dutch door for this week. I decided to go with the Sharpie paint pen, which is a gold fine point, and it's a water-based Sharpie. So, because I was too lazy to get out my watercolors, so I decided to go with that, which I used for some of the signage for the wedding. And then I used this Gold Star Simply Gilded 5mm washi tape, which was really nice, and really goes with the theme. So that is all the stuff I used for that. So I hope you guys like this spread. If you do, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of jazz. Let me know in the comments below what you think, what type of videos that you want coming up. And I have a question for you. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you travel? So I will see you in the comments below to discuss that, and have a great one. Bye.